Did you know that cornbread has been a staple in American cuisine for over 400 years? It's so versatile, but it once was used as an early form of fast food by Native Americans and settlers alike. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to make cornbread, the hard way and the easy way. First, the hard way. Take 2 sandwiches, place a corn cob in the middle, and voila, you've got cornbread. Tasty. Although a bit hard on the teeth, but seriously, that's not the cornbread we're making today. Now, for a recipe that's simple and easy to eat, even if you lose your false teeth, I got this recipe from my mom, so be nice in the comments. It only takes 4 ingredients, which is about the limit of what I can remember. First, you'll need half a kg, or 500 grams to be precise, of self-raising flour. This is flour that gets up by itself in the morning without an alarm clock. If you've got lazy flour, just add 5 teaspoons of baking powder to your mix to make it self-raising. You need to get the amount of flour exact, or else the bread may not taste the same. Now add a teaspoon of white rock crystals. Mix the rock crystals in dry because it's easier and because I said so. Next, add a can of sweet corn cream style. Most are vegan, but just double check that there's no milk or whey powder in the ingredients list. Then add a can of H2O to the mix. If you don't have H2O, just add water. It works the same. Right, mix up the bunch. Oops, I spilled some flour. I hope the bread still comes out okay. We'll have to wait and see. Next, butter up a baking pan. You can use spray-on oil or lightly oil the pan. For oil-free bread, use a silicone bread pan. Smooth everything out nicely in the pan. Now, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. I use a space heater to preheat my oven, but feel free to use a hairdryer if you like. My mum bakes her bread at 170 degrees Celsius or 338 degrees Fahrenheit, but the bread bakes slower. This is useful if the top burns but the inside is still raw. Add the bread to the oven and watch the magic happen. Here's a montage of the bread going from sticky mush to mouth-watering deliciousness. I normally bake my bread for 70 minutes, but I test it at 60 minutes or 1 hour to be precise. Stick a knife or knitting needle into the middle of the bread. If there's sticky mush on it when you pull it out, the bread is not ready to pop out of the oven. Note that it won't come out completely dry since it's cream style corn. This amount is about right, although I prefer it a bit drier and bake it for another 10 minutes. So there you have it, simple vegan cornbread. It's hard to slice when hot, but I just can't wait for it to cool down. It's amazing with a bit of vegan butter and coffee. Feel free to add some jam or grated vegan cheese on top. For an amazing cheddar vegan cheese recipe, check out the video suggested to you right now.